Hey, Simi Lolu here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your Hashflare contracts with a 10% discount code. So it's only available for a limited time. Today is the 15th of February 2018. It's available till the 18th of February 2018. Now, so for those of you who kind of want to get in there and get that 10% discount, yes, get that done. For those of you who are watching this past the 18th of February 2018, you can still use the link below to open a free Hashflare account, but maybe not the discount code. So over here under the buy hash rate button, we click on the SHA-256 button right there. And that takes us straight onto this screen where we can purchase our Bitcoin contract. Okay, so I'm just going to purchase a small amount because I really don't want to be using my accumulated Bitcoin, which is what I'm going to do for today. Okay, so after I've secured, I've moved this slider button to 40 gigahash. That's what I want to purchase today. It's only going to set me back $8.80 or this amount in Bitcoin. We click proceed. Okay, and right here on this screen we're going to click on the redeem code, because here on the invoice, or what you can see of the invoice here, it just gives a total price of the hash power that I want to purchase, which is this amount in terahash. You click on the redeem code. Now you're going to, it's right here, you're going to cut, no, you're going to copy, not cut, the code in the description box below. Pop it right here, and you should have it down as HF18S Val Day. This is a redeem button. I'm not sure if you can see it. So you're going to redeem that. Click on it, and up here you can see it shows the discounted amount. We'll select payment methods, and right here it shows you the various ways in which you can purchase your Hashflare contracts. So today I could decide to pay with Bitcoin, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to pay for my balance. Click on that. And what do we have? After clicking confirm, the total sum of your order will be immediately deducted from your account balance according to the current USD BTC exchange rate. So I'm going to click on this and click confirm. And wait. Here we go. Success. Purchase was successful. Enjoy. And let's see. My Bitcoin balance has gone down a little bit, and my hash rate, which was previously, I think it was 3.81, has gone up to 3.84, and that allows me earn a little bit more Bitcoin. Well, that is all I have for you in this video. Don't waste time. For those of you who want to get that 10% contract, click on the description box below and get your discounts. Open your Hashflare accounts. For those of you who don't have Bitcoin, you can also click in the description link below and you can open a COINBASE account where you can easily use your fiat currency to purchase Bitcoin. And that is pretty much it for today. If you have found some value in this video, I would appreciate a like or a comment, and a comment. Just comment below. I always love to know what country you're viewing in from. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll meet you on the next video.